I will be trading gold only. The reason is because I've seen a screenshot whereby they said that it's going to be a good idea for traders to trade gold only. The reason why I trust this screenshot is only because it has been posted by one of the well-known traders who is a multimillionaire, which is Swaggy C. It's not Swaggy C who actually said this way. Swaggy C literally took a screenshot from Twitter and then posted on his story on Instagram. So, and then there was a caption whereby he said, "This isn't a wrong idea." So the screenshot says, "As a multi-million-dollar trader, trust me when I say this. Trade only gold in 2024 and you will make insane gains." So I want to take this challenge to make sure that I trade only gold but with only $10. So I'm going to trade it for a 4 months. This is first week. We're going to have 4 episodes, which is episode 1, 2, 3, 4. Only if I don't blow the account. But if I blow the account, I might also refund the account and trade it for only a month and see if ever this is true or what. So we're just going to experience this. Make sure that you stay up until the end of the video, or maybe the end of this challenge as a whole, which is a month challenge. Please make sure that you subscribe below so that you can see other challenges that I'm going to do based on money. Let's hit at least maybe 300 likes for this video. Those who have been following me for a while knows exactly I only trade pairs. So I'm going to trade only gold because they said it's a good idea to trade gold. So now I'm just going to go through my trading view and analyze gold and then trade it the way I understand the market. So I'm going to trade gold only based on $10 accounts and see what are the results. So stay tuned. This is Monday exactly. We're starting at the beginning of the week for only 4 episodes, which is episode 1, 2, 3, and 4, which is going to make only a month.
If you can check, when we click smart money concept, I did made a video that we are looking for fair value gap, we are looking for liquidity, and then we are looking for what? Break of structure. So I'm going to show you that we have our order block right over here. This is our order block on our daily time frame. This is our order block. Fair value gap, which is imbalance. Here it is. This is our fair value gap, which is an imbalance, right? Our break of structure is right over here. This is our break of structure right over here. This is our break of structure, and then liquidity, where we are experiencing a double bottom, is right over here, as you can see. So we only going to wait for the market to come down here so that we are going to look for buying opportunities. But then we are not going to look for buying opportunities on our daily time frame. We're going to go to our 4H4 and look for any possible risk to reward that is going to give us a reasonable risk to reward when we trade. So this is our liquidity right over here, as you guys can see. Like I said, this is our liquidity right over here. We're expressing liquidity. So we believe that the market must come back to liquidate all the retail traders who are looking for buying opportunities without realizing that there is a liquidity right over here. So we are waiting for this gold to come to our POI, which we were able to identify on our daily time frame so that we can experience our buying opportunities. But then we just have to refine our POI. So when we are on our H4, we can see that inside we have another order block right over here, which will be waiting for the market to come to this point. If the market doesn't come to this point, we're not trading at all. So once the market comes here, right over here, that's when we will be able to look for any buying opportunities right over here. Right over here. At this point, we are going to look for any buying opportunities. So for now, we just have to wait for the market to see what the market is trying to do. So we will wait for any buying opportunities right over here, and it will give us a reasonable risk to reward. Like I said, as you guys can see that it is going to give us 3, but if we catch it right over here, it's just going to give us 1:4 risk to reward. So for now, let's just wait for any possible thing that can happen in the market. We're just looking for only gold. We're just going to trade only gold. So let's check each other on the next day what will happen, but I still think that the market is not going to run so smoothly, so that we can have any opportunity that we can trade. Maybe we're going to take around 3 days to 4 days without trading, but then tomorrow's Tuesday. We're still going to check the market each and every day to make sure that we catch every possible opportunities that is going to come our way. Thank you.
This is day 2 of our challenge. So previously I showed you what I'm looking for, but then we didn't see any opportunities. So I've realized I need to check the events, because each and every event based on USD is going to affect our gold. So now I just need to go through the events of the week to be aware of the events, and also I'm going to try to trade them if I see any opportunity that I can be able to trade them. Remember, it's been a while not trading events. The last time I traded events, I think it was maybe while I was still learning how to trade. So I don't know how to trade events. I'm still learning. So let's go straight to it. Alright guys, as you guys can see that today is Tuesday the 9th of January. We don't have any event, as you guys can see. On Wednesday we have events, but events at 2:30 a.m. it's in Australian dollar, so gold is not exactly going to be affected, which is CPI. And then we have 4:15 at PM, which is GBP, is not really going to be affected. So on Thursday we need to be aware at 3:30 PM USD is going to be a massive event that we need to be careful of. So I'm going to try to trade it. If I'm not going to trade it, I'm going to monitor it to check how will the market going to react, so that we can have better opportunities going forward with our challenges. So we're just going to trade our own core CPI unemployment claims at 3:30 USD. The gold is going to move. I haven't realized. At 3 o'clock I'm going to set up an alarm. So as you guys can see by the screenshot, going to set up an alarm where I'm going to trade the USD event that is going to affect our gold at 3:30 on Thursday. Today is Tuesday, so we have tomorrow and also we have Thursday. So it may happen that today we didn't trade, yesterday we didn't trade, and also it may happen that on Wednesday we're still not going to be able to trade based on how the market is moving currently. I'm going to go through the market in a while. Stay tuned. And also on Thursday, I think maybe that's when we'll be able to trade. So on Friday, normally I don't like to trade, but because of this challenge, I need to take some trades when I see opportunity. So whenever I see any opportunity on Friday, I'm going to trade. But normally when I see opportunity, I don't trade on Friday. I wait on Monday. On Monday, normally I just go through the market. I don't really trade. I trade exactly on Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday. That's where I'm fully on trading. So on Friday we also have an event, which is a USD event that is going to affect our gold at 3:30 PM also, which is core PPI, right? So now let's go to our signal. Now we are on gold. As you guys can see, yesterday I think we left the market right over here. We left the market right over here. As guys, I told you that the market is not going to move like massively. So we're still waiting for this pair to come to this point. That's when we are going to take our buying opportunities. So there's nothing new, there's nothing less, still the same, as you guys can see. So now we just have to wait. So one of the things that is going to work as a disadvantage towards me is that I only swing, I only look for long-term trades. So I'm a swing trader, so I think it's going to work as a disadvantage, because I'm not going to trade daily and I'm focusing on one thing. So the opportunities are going to take a while, but because of this challenge, I'm going to stick on what I know. After this, maybe after 4 episodes, we see the results. If there's no results, or if there's less results, or if there's more, that will be something that we can celebrate of, but I don't think there will be more because we are trading one thing and we need to wait for a long time. So maybe after the 4 episode that we're going to have, we're just going to have maybe taken maybe 2 or 3 trades, I think, in a month. So it's a disadvantage. So I need to learn scalping or day trading so that I can be able to do these challenges and take more trades. So we're still going to learn. If you want to make sure that you learn with me, please make sure that you subscribe down below. This is day 4, which is Thursday. So yesterday I didn't record only because we didn't have any opportunity for us to trade. So I didn't wanna say the very same thing that we didn't have any opportunity, and also the market didn't move at all. So not at all, but basically it moved slow. So I can't be able to record and then show you the very same thing that I've showed you the previous day. So today is currently day 4, which is Thursday, and we are going to trade gold. So we are only left with 10 minutes before our event. So I'm just going to analyze the market and show you what am I looking for, what I'm going to buy this event, or I'm going to sell this event. Guys, before we come here, we need to check our event. So as you guys can see that the previous and also the focus. So as you can see, the previous and the focus are becoming higher. So it's 202 goes to 29, meaning that we are going to buy. And also right over here, 3-1 goes to 3-2. We are looking for buy. 01202 we are looking for buy, and 03203. So it's pending, as you guys can see, because the event is about to happen. So now we are looking to buy this pair. So as you guys can see on our 5 minutes time frame, we spiked up right over here. So the market is just going to pull back right over here and then goes up. So now we just have to enter our trades. Let's see, we are looking to buy. Only 2 minutes left. Only 2 minutes left. Let me new order and then buy. Like I said, we are buying. We are buying. Let's see. We are buying. It's coming. It's coming. Only a minute left before the market shot to upside. Only a minute left. We are buying. We are buying. We are buying. Let's see. Never mind the time, guys. Right over there. Here's the time. Only a minute left. Here's the time. As you guys can see, it's now shooting. It's not yet the time, but it's already showing us that we are buying. We just bought, guys. We just bought. As you guys can see, just bought. It's about that time. Half past, half past. Yes, we killed it, guys. Guys, we killed. I don't know what's happening. Oh shit! It rejected. What's happening? I see market doesn't want to close my order. Holy shit! I see market doesn't want to close my order. Closed. In profit or loss? In loss. Damn. Yo guys, we lost $8, $6. It rejected, as you guys can see. It rejected. We did anticipated that it's going to go up. It went up and then went down to reject. Alright, so I think the main reason why the market rejected is only because, if you guys can still remember, the opportunity that we are looking for was on for H4. If you guys still remember that, we're waiting for the market to come to this side of the market, to come to liquidate these people who are looking to buy these pairs. So I think the reason is because that the event was so powerful to the point whereby it decided to take the direction of the events that there are people who are looking for buyers and people who are invested their money to buy. So it took them, it gave them the money, and also now you're rejecting to come to liquidate these people. So that's the reason maybe I'm thinking that maybe the reason why it rejected. So next time when I trade, I need to look for this thing of POI, whereby we want the market to come back to it. So when the market says that we need to come back to fill this fair value gap, then I will know that even when the events comes, it needs to come back to fill it. If it goes up, it's just going to reject. Like now it just went up to reject, and then it shows that we are coming for sales, and then we are going to take our buys right over here. So one thing that you need to learn about events, man, events are powerful. Events are you can lose your money in just a split of a second. So you need to be careful. As you guys can see, we've lost money, and also majority of brokers don't allow people to trade events, especially when it comes to big events like CPI, NFP. So they always manipulate the market. It always reject like it does, but we all know the direction. But then based on the manipulation that they always do, it always rejects. So this is day 4. We've lost money. That's part of the game. If you can't understand the fact that you're still going to lose money in this industry, then you are not fit enough to be a trader. So this is day 4. Let's see if tomorrow we'll see any opportunity for us to trade. This is day 5 of the challenge, which is last day, and we didn't take any trades. So I'm going to show you the reason why we didn't take any trades. The market has been moving so slow, so it didn't give us any opportunity. But then let's hop on my screen and show exactly what was happening on the market and why is there any reason for us not to take it any trade.
As you guys can see that where the market is right over here. If you still remember, on day 1 the market was right over here. The market was right over here. So the market has been consolidating for a while. Then after the NFP, like I said, that the NFP is the one that is going to give us at least direction whether the market is going to go up or down. It went up, but it didn't went up in a correct way whereby it gave us an impulsive move that can give us any opportunity for us to trade. So we didn't have any trade because of the consolidation that has been happening right over here. So we are not happy at this point. But then now we're still waiting for the fact that maybe the market might come here, and then we'll be looking for our buys. But for the next week, we're just going to analyze this for next week, whether the market is going to push to the upper side or to the downside. So for now,
is the end of episode 1. Please make sure that you subscribe and also hit the notification bell so that you can be notified next time when we drop an episode 2 of this challenge. So we're just gonna see on episode 2 how does things are going to be like. So we're hoping for the best for the next episode that we're going to drop. We are on our road to 5k subscribers. Now we have 1,300 subscribers. Let's keep growing our community. See you on the next one.